So lately I've been working a little bit on an art installation, and the art installation is all about a fake Instagram account, or actually not so much a fake Instagram account, but an Instagram account that is telling a story. And for the art installation, we needed a way to display all of the different posts in the art installation and give the visitors the ability to respond to it. So what I'm showing you here is just a demo of how that worked. I don't know for sure if it's ever going to be used, but it seems like interesting enough to at least share it. So what you're looking at here is not actually Instagram, but it's the fake version of it. And in that fake version, you can actually, let me make this a little bit smaller. The fake version does not allow you to scroll. It is scrolling itself in a particular order in order to be able to tell that story. So now the captions are kind of like a little lame, not really telling anything. But just imagine this to be displayed somewhere on a wall, and then also you being able to pull it up on your phone. And if you do that, then you would be able to respond to it by just just liking it, and your likes will also be published on that video wall. So the interesting thing is that both this version, the one that would be displayed on your screen, and the one that you would be displayed on your phone, are actually scrolling through this timeline in exactly the same speed, or almost the same speed. So and I think the interesting thing about that is that it actually is not doing any coordination in order to be able to do it. I'm relying on something else to make sure all of that just works, and likes will, as you can tell, just be synchronized across both the video wall and the consumer devices that are used to access this. Now this entire thing is a Nuxt application, and the Nuxt application itself is relying on a content management system to feed in the data. So this was just another one of these occasions where it turns out that merging or using StoryBloks in combination with Nuxt is really, really useful. So in my StoryBlok account, I have all of the different accounts for the Instagram account basically set up here. Wow, that's a lot of accounts. And what you can do is just upload the images, upload the avatar, set the account name, and then for all of the different posts, you can just change the details here. So if I change this to something else, save, then if I refresh this, it will actually read something else. Very useful.